是风景。只是有叹息，只是不愿醒，因为你，只为你，要和我一起看云淡风轻。时间是让人猝不及防的东西，晴时有风，阴时有雨，争不过朝夕，又念着忘记，偷走了心思，却留住一个你。岁月是一场有去无回的旅行，好的坏的都是风景，别怪我叹息，只是不忍心，因为你，只为你，要和我一起看云淡风轻。能够握紧的就别放了，能够拥抱的就别拉扯，时间着急的冲刷着，剩下了什么？原谅走过的那些曲折，原来留下的都是真的，纵然似梦啊，半醒着，笑着哭着都快活。谁让时间是让人猝不及防的东西，晴时有风，阴有时雨，争不过朝夕，又念着往昔，偷走了心思，却留住一个你。岁月是一场有去无回的旅行，好的坏的都是风景，别怪我贪心，只是不愿醒，因为你，只为你，愿和我一起看云淡风轻。能够握紧的就别放了，能够拥抱的就别拉扯，时间着急的冲刷着，剩下了什么？
张老师，你的饭来啦！
原谅走过的那些曲折，原来留下的都是真的，纵然似梦啊，半醒着，笑着哭着都快活。谁让时间是让人猝不及防的东西，只是有风，阴有时雨，争不过朝夕，又念着往昔，偷走了心思，却留住一个你。岁月是一场有去无回的旅行，好的坏的都是风景，别怪我叹息，只是不愿醒，因为你，只为你，要和我一起看云淡风轻。时间是让人猝不及防的东西，晴时有风，阴时有雨，争不过朝夕，又念着忘记，偷走了心思，却留住一个你。岁月是一场有去无回的旅行，好的坏的都是风景，别怪我叹息，只是不忍心，因为你，只为你，要和我一起看 剩下了什么？原谅走过的那些曲折，原来留下的都是真的。纵然似梦啊，半醒着，笑着哭着都快活。谁让时间是让人猝不及防的东西，晴时有风，阴有时雨，撑不过朝夕，又念着往昔，偷走了青丝，却留住一个你。岁月是一场有去无回的旅行，好的坏的都是风景。别怪我贪心，只是不愿醒，因为你，只为你，愿和我一起看云淡风轻。能够握紧的就别放了，能够拥抱的就别拉扯，时间着急的冲刷着，剩下了什么？原谅走过的那些曲折，原来留下的都是真的。纵然似梦啊，半醒着，笑着哭着都快活。谁让时间是让人猝不及防的东西，只是有风，阴有时雨，撑不过朝夕，又念着往昔，偷走了青丝，却留住一个你。岁月是一场有去无回的。
Hello. Can you give me one if you can hear my voice, because today I cannot test my voice. Thank you very much. Just reply me one below the comment, below the video. Thank you very much. Okay, I know it's a little bit slowly that I can see your reply in here. Okay. That I can see your. Okay, thank you very much. I already can see your reply. Thank you very much. Karina, Nadian, Cassie, Marie, and Miss Wang. And Game Genius. We got a Game Genius here. And Mr. Lu. Okay, thank you very much. Hello. Okay, okay, let's get started. So dear Homely members and Homely investors, nice to see you today at Friday. Today is July 17. So end of this week. So also very important. And before we go to our diagnosis, I want to share you this good news. Tomorrow we will have a preview class, which is more systematic to introduce the whole system, how you benefit with the whole system of Homely software, including the knowledge and this powerful software. So if you want to attend, you can just sign up with me. Just can send, okay, if you want to attend English version, you just send me your name and plus English version. If you want to attend the Mandarin version, put your name and Huayu, okay? Send to 011-1652-7962, okay? Send your name and the language to 011-1652-7962 to attend the class. But all the members no need to register because you can receive the details from our customer service line. also include English members. So if you're a non-member, so you can please register me. We will have this topic with how to be a chameleon in the share market. And you know that recently the market is in arrangements a lot. So you can just, we will share you what should you do, how to deal with your shares in your hands in more systematic way, because every day my life is kind of around 30 minutes. But the class is 1 hour and a half, so we can, how to say, we can explain in details, and you can also master this method in details because we also have many practice again and again during the class. Okay, so this is the one I want to share with you. Okay, and then now start our topic, and as I said, it's a livestock analysis, stock diagnosis. So if you want to diagnosis in this video, actually the first way I recommend it, just send your share code number and entry price to 011-16527-962, so I can see the message in my WhatsApp in time. Then I can diagnosis in this video. Okay, so this is the way every trading day around 1 o'clock, 1 p.m., around 30 minutes to diagnosis your share. And of course, we also share you the brief views of the whole market with the homely software. This is the way sentence I shared with you today. Only when the tide goes out, and will you know who has been swimming next? It's by Nitsai, okay, by Nitsai. It's also very suitable for the current market. And I guess it's not the first time I share with you here, because if you're a homely member, you must have been heard before in our class. And we've always share you this one, means that when the market in big arrangements or in job bearish market, you always had things to do except trading. Okay, you can rest in the share market, but actually you can do more charging, learning charging. Okay, attend the class to improve your analysis, and the most important thing, to feel the good shares, because the strong shares will not being strong affected by their drop. They will go sideways, or even they will go uptrend. Okay, so why I say like this, because you also know that yesterday the market hand, right? Market hand after I think after 3:30, right? After 3, hey, can you see my screen? Oh, let me share my screen now. Hey, is my screen shared here already? Yeah. Okay. So yesterday, you know, the market hand a lot, right? Hand a lot, and it's kind of the top glove as the world's largest glove manufacturer is facing the U.S. detention order in disposal glove manufactured. It's kind of this news, but it's not kind of official way to release the reason. But how to say, it's also remind us that actually it's not a good sign. And then you can combine with the limit down policy, which changed last Friday, right? The market, the whole Bursa market limit down changed from negative 30% to 50%. And last Sunday, I also shared a micro video to explain this one, said that it's not kind of only positive news. And in other side, means that the market risk is really very high. You should be careful, right? So that's why the Bursa will show this, will release this policy. Okay, so what I want to share you about this today, let's take a look about the KLCI. Okay, this is Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones is still trying to cover the reversal pattern, but still haven't. But yesterday is kind of a gap up, right? Gap up and fall back a little bit. But actually, the case is still increasing there. Okay, but now today we will more focus on the KLCI. KLCI now have 3 days arrangements, and I said this arrangement actually is kind of a strong resistance compared to before, because I can show you this resistance, okay, by the KLCI. If you take the chart longer term and you use the chips distribution, actually the current price meets very strong resistance by the current volume, okay, because this blue chips is the totally the market volume, okay, except especially the selling power, okay, the selling power. Okay, you cannot see my screen. Huh? I think I can see my screen now. Okay, meet a very strong resistance in the current market. So this is not, this is the strongest, okay, the strongest resistance. And you can see before many times haven't breakout, include the last time, include the previous time, right? Include the previous time. So should be careful. And I can also draw another line for you here. You can just draw a line here. Before we also draw a line, this one, this line, okay. Maybe I make it bigger. We make it bigger like this one, okay. So if make it bigger, it's like this one. Make bigger, so you know that before we just draw a line here, just draw a line by the chips distribution, right? Chips distribution, and then this is the current uptrend line for medium short term, and have before it break down, but it come back, okay, pull back, but it didn't break out, it just goes sideways here, and now meet another resistance by the chips distribution. So it's quite strong resistance here for the KLCI, so be careful. And but I just, like I said, in the arrangement time, when the market go in arrangements, you got work to do, okay? You do the filtering. So we can take a look about how you do the filtering this time, okay? This is from July 10. This is July 26, okay? Sorry, June 10 to June 26, around 16 days. So this is the correction area, okay? In this area, you can save, you can take a rest as a short-term trader, but long-term is okay. Short-term trader, but how should you do? Actually, you can do filtering, okay, during this time. How to do? So actually, you can just use very simple simple ways, okay? Use the Homely software. I just filter, okay, I just filter the shares haven't done during this area, okay? You can see the date from June 10 to June 26. Can you see my mouse? Okay, during this period, okay, so all the shares, you can see, and then you see the percentage change here, percentage change, the shares didn't drop, even they make a great high, okay? So during this way, and then we just choose the share and to analyze, okay, analyze. And with the multicolor dragon, of course. And then we go to here, okay, we go to the way. We can just take a look about here, okay, about here, because there are a lot of here, so we just choose a few of them. For example, Comarco, okay, so this share during June 10th around here. So you see this way, actually this share didn't drop at all at that time, right? When the KLCI goes arrangements. So from June 10, okay, I marked the June 10 for you. June 10 is here, okay? June 10 to June 6 around here. So during this time, when the market didn't drop, actually it went up. Okay, I compare for you. I compare for you. Compare for you. I put the KLCI in the first window. You can see it clearly. And then here's the second one. Okay, and I also put the bankers here, so you can see it clearly, because always use the big institutional funds to double confirm your strategy is enough or not. So you can see this is Comarc. Before at this area, you can see the market down, the KLCI down, but this share is quite strong, right? Still very strong. So you can see later it's keep going on, right? It keep going on till now. Okay, so this is the first one. And also have other, for example, Asia Play. Okay, Asia play also very strong before when the market down, right? So you see still flying, and with the bankers more than 75%. And we can also talk about today's chart. Today have another 3%, not bad, right? Still okay, right? Still okay. And then other one, we can see here, just check the top gainers. And you can see so many. Okay, so this one also, right? INIX also, and at that time the market drop, it didn't drop, slightly increased, and now it fly. Okay, it fly, and also now with the bankers around 80%. So we can also take a look about today's chart. Today's chart, okay, another 4% keep staying, still keep increasing. And also have others you can see here. For example, many. So you can check one by one if you remember. You use the software check one by one. Leonhub also, when the market down, it didn't down, right? Increase. So now with the bankers around 60%, more than 60%. So we can also see market also slightly still remains there, right? So this is the example tell you that why you need to select the strong shares when their whole market is down. Okay, when the whole market is down. Now KLCI go another arrangement, so you can also filter them. But it's very easy way to filter. In the Homely software, there is a dark horse filter. Dark horse filter just choose yesterday's data, no problem. These 3 days, no problem. You just choose, okay, click filter, and then you focus this strong type. So when the market down, the strong type is not much, okay, not much. So also tells you that the strong shares is the shares who play next, okay, in this whole market. So you see 74%, 74 shares only. Yesterday is stronger than the index, so we can take a look. First one, this one, but it's a little bit inactive, this share, but still have bankers a lot. So we can take a look about today's chart. If you do your homework yesterday for members, you may be okay lah. So this one for short term, no problem. Today 16%, right? 16% already. You see here, 16% already today. Next one. And we can see a little bit 0048 yesterday also increased a lot, so we can take a look about today. 0048, the first two today another 31%, right? Another 31%. Also, we have members have made money here, but I don't have time to get the portfolio to show you now. And this one 770, got many. We just choose a little bit of them. So for example, this virtual index also here, right? Also here. And also have this XOX, because yesterday we diagnosed this share, right? Yesterday, XOX by who? I don't know. I don't remember whose name. Never mind. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, I remember this share. XOX. So you see quite strong, right? Quite strong yesterday. These 2 days are when their market, when the KLCI, because the first window, their first window is the KLCI. So you see 3 days down, but you see this share very strong. And the bankers also 75%, right? So we can see today, XOX 42%, you see, 42%. So you see how important of their filtering for you. If you have a good share, actually today I didn't say any buy and sell points, right? You just go in and just buy, okay? So in the TikTok also can for short term, right? So you see, it break up the yellow line, still can go in, right? No problem. Or you just use the trend expert, no problem. Trend expert, and we use the mini chart, 60-minute chart, okay? My hand here, sorry. I reopen my PC here, sorry, a little bit hand here. It's blocking the chat. Sorry, I know the chat, the picture a little bit blocking, but I cannot change because it's locked by the Zoom. It's not locked by me. Sorry. Okay, so this is the real-time chat. Just now we talk about the XOX, right? XOX. Here, if you cannot see, I make it smaller. Make it smaller. Maybe you can see now. Okay. Now you can see, this is 42%. You see today. Can you see now? So, okay. So you can see, you can also use the mini chart. We go 6-minute chart. You can see this is the buy point, and we can see the time here. Today, 11 o'clock. Can you see in the bottom? Today, 11 o'clock have buy point by the trend expert. So you buy, and you can see just 3 hours. Okay, you have 20% already. Okay, for short term, no problem. But actually, the most important thing is not you wait for the buy point, is you filled out the share. Okay, you feel the strong shares when the market drop. That's very important for you. So if you missed yesterday's chance, okay, because before also have very big profit chance, but it's okay because you already have this method. And others, okay, others, for example, this one also very strong, right? Also very strong, but a little bit inactive. And we also have for many, you can just scroll down one by one. Many of them very good. This one also very strong. You can see when the market drop, before market drop, it also strong. Now market drop again, keep strong. So very strong one. So we also see this one, 5040. Today another 10%. You see. Today another 10%. So if intraday you go to the tick chart and then you call out their MCDXR, you see, and it keeps breakout keeps above, standing above the yellow line. Very good, right? So today another 10%. And if you do short term, you also go to the mini chart. 6-minute chart, the buy point is July 15. Okay, July 15. Okay, the first red bar is the buy point with a lot of bankers here. Okay, and today if we check 30-minute chart before, also have, okay, also have. So this one also very strong. And also we take another one. Many. Okay, JCY. Okay, JCY also very strong. Before when the market drop is sideways. Okay, it's anti-drop, didn't drop, anti-drop. Later it fly, with the bankers increasing here. Bankers more than 75%, quite strong. I have a member just bought this day because their bankers more than 50% the first day, as I showed you before. The bankers more than 50% means the first day the bankers control the share, very powerful. So just buy till now. At that time the price is 35 cents. Now is 48 cents already, almost 48 cents. So we can see today's chart. Okay, JCY today another 12%. Okay. Okay, no sound. Okay, so 12% now. You can see, right? And if we see the tick chart also very okay, right? Stand above the yellow line, very good. And then the 6-minute chart today also have buy point. You see, today 11 o'clock have buy point, right? Today 11 o'clock have buy point. Okay, but as I said, the most important thing that you filter the share. Okay, very important. Just use this dark horse filter. Okay, dark horse filter with the Homely software. If you are non-Homely member, you can just join member. Okay, because you also know that Homely software will have for 700 ringgit price up soon. Okay, so don't forget to find me to subscribe the Homely software, because it's really good tool for you to make money. Okay, now we take a look about your share. Okay, first one from Victor, IKH. This one. But you didn't tell me your entry price, Victor. Okay, this one. Today quite strong. Okay, quite strong. We take a look about the long-term chart first. As we said before, long-term first, short-term next. If you diagnosis a share. Okay, but this share is a little bit inactive if you read from the candlestick, right? The turnover rate only 1.2, less than 3%. So still not so active, but the pattern is not bad. With the bankers more than 79%. So we can have a look about the long term of this share. Long term actually not bad. You can see also kind of a rebound kind of a rebound. If we just draw a line, it's kind of here, right? Kind of here, but actually still have some space here. Have some space and strongly rebound. Okay, strongly rebound here. And if we talk about the weekly chart, okay, then daily chart, and we put the rainbow, okay, it just meet the resistance by the white line of homely rainbow. Homely rainbow is the boundary of bullish market and the bearish share. Okay, so quite important for you. So if you don't have this share before Victor, you'd better just wait until it break out these white lines. But if it haven't, it's most kindly sideways. But the good pattern is that the good thing is that the bankers fully controlled. Okay, so still okay. Just wait for the time. And today, seems today breakout. Okay, we check. Okay, today breakout. You see, today breakout, and the bankers also have 87%. Yesterday is 79%. Today around 10% of the bankers increase. So you can check here. This is the value of the bankers. So if you put here, you can see that the bankers increasing today and the kind of breakout, right? So actually today you can enter. I'm not sure if you have it or not, but actually today you can enter if you have filtered this share before already. Okay, so this is one from Victor. We see others member. Okay, Karina, 0190. Ever safe. Oh, it's a good name. Seems that never done. Okay, it's kind of a dark pattern, dark bone pattern before. Worth to buy if compared to FGV, select one, which one to go for. Okay, Karina, next time, actually, you can also share your ideas here because you have the software ready. Okay, so this one, very good pattern, right? Very good pattern. And we take a look about the long term. It's kind of a breakout, right? It's kind of a breakout. And before there's no banker, now a little bit okay, but still need to double confirm if it can break out successfully or not. But for short term, just break out the white line. And so far, I think it's okay. And from your words, I guess that you haven't entered yet, so you can actually now okay lah, just not so active. Okay, and the buy point is around here. Okay, last Friday have buy point, but if you still want to buy, you can go to the mini chart. Yesterday 10 o'clock have buy point, and we will check 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart today 11 have a buy point. This is 11 today. This is 30-minute chart. Okay, you can check here. This is 30 minutes, and here is the buy point. Okay, here you can see 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. So for short term, if you want to chasing high, you can buy here, no problem. Okay, so others, thank you very much. Okay, PG, what's your name? Notion. I also don't know your entry price. I actually don't want to diagnose if I don't know. Kind of sideways here. Kind of sideways, yeah. Okay, sideways here. And the bankers are not strong enough. Bankers only around 37%. You see, only 70%. Here, you see this pattern, this value, 38% here. Okay, only not so strong. So you see, kind of sideways, right? Kind of sideways. But the good thing is that around stand above the white line already. Okay, but still have a lot of resistance. Short term, no problem. Okay. Yes, I just already diagnosed SOXR. Okay, Jason, MCO. This one, right? And which one? Jason, IB. Better send me the code number faster. ANCON. I don't know which one, sorry. How much the software? Okay. Positive success. You can contact me, yeah, with this number. I will send you the details because we have different package. Oh, 0048. Casey, Casey. Almost lit me up today. 0048. 0048. Wow, so big. Yeah, just now, actually this share is the second share of after you filter with the dark horse filter, right? With this dark horse filter. We just already here, right? This is the dark horse filter. The second one is the anchor yesterday. Okay, no problem. We take a look about this one. I guess you do short term, right? Casey, you also do short term, nah? I know that. Intraday, I know it's kind of. Okay, break very strong new high here. Okay. Kind of here, very strong breakout with the bankers appear here. Okay, we take a look about today's chart. Today's chart. 31%. Yeah, you say the almost price limit up. And we can see that actually this is a 30-minute chart. Okay, we see daily minute chart. Daily chart is like this. Okay, daily chart. Today compared to yesterday, their price, okay, the bankers increasing around 10% plus. So if you're short term, because I know Casey, you're short term, you go to tick chart. Actually, you can buy from here, right? The time is 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock because at the here, their price just break up the white at the yellow line. Of course, you can also put indicator here. For example, trend ladder. Trend ladder also break up the line. Also here have a buy point again. And till now you can hold. Okay, till now. Sorry. You can hold. And the bankers also here, right? In the tick chart also have bankers. So what's your question? What's your question? You want to know when to sell like that? So actually it's really bomb up, okay, like this share. So you can also use this yellow line as your stop loss because you're short-term trader. But if you are longer term, okay, as just now who are Jason, Jason, I don't know your cycle, okay, your investment style, but also can set your stop loss, okay. This gap can be your stop loss, okay. Gap up can be your stop loss, okay. So this one. But this share, yeah, is their strong share. Even in their when their KLCI down and they keep increasing. Okay, 轩怡 7114. We take a look about the chart first. 7114. How's your DGB? Okay, 714. You another share. Actually, here have a pattern of dark bond pattern, but it seems value. Okay, we take a look about the long term first. Long term is kind of like here still have many how to say strong resistance, and of course here also got some resistance. Okay, got some resistance. And now it's kind of sideways in this area, right? In this area, kind of in this area, okay? So medium short term, no problem. Okay, okay, and then we go to daily chart. This share is not so active, actually, not so active. You see the turnover rate only 0.597, less than 3, far away from 3%, not so active. And the bankers is around, okay, bankers a lot, okay, bankers a lot, but actually it didn't break out successfully, okay, value pattern. But I don't know your entering price, Xuan Yu, and you have it or don't have it. I don't know. If you don't have it, okay, wait for a while. If you have it, I don't know when you buy because no entering price here. So I think you need to wait for a while because no buy point. We take a look about today's chart. Today is kind of, you see, no volume, okay, just sideways. And also no buy point today, okay, if we use the trend expert. Actually, instead of a buy point, it's kind of a green candle. The first green is kind of a sell point, okay? This is a diagnosis for this share. Okay. Another one. Pinacon. Kelly. What's your entry price? What is the Supermax entry price? You mean today, Jason? Okay. JCY Gilbert. Okay, JCY very strong one. Just now we also shared. It's kind of a strong share, right? Kind of a strong share. You see, when the KLCR drop, it just anti-drop. Okay, anti-drop, and then you fly. And from longer term, we can also take a look about this share. From longer term, you can see it's kind of a breakout. Okay, kind of almost breakout. If you can join two lines here, okay? This line already break out, right? Breakout. Now here meets some resistance. The price is around 53 cents. And with the bankers double confirmed here, okay? And the daily chart is quite strong and stand above the yellow line before already. And now the bankers is around 73%, quite strong. So I don't know your entry price or entry price is 50 cents. Today, so, Gilbert, are you entry today? 5161. Today, 12%. And today, I guess you can only entry in mini chart. Okay, entry in mini chart. For example, we 6 minute chart here have buy point. 11 o'clock have buy point. So we can see the price here is around 51. Okay, 51.50. The low price is 4646. So congratulations, you buy a good one. But yeah, but you can have with the software to tell you when to take a profit. Short term can, long term also can. Okay, more safe because, as I said in this arrangement market, one thing is just safeguarded. Second thing, you can do the filtering, right? You no need to trade. You can have a rest in the market, but actually you can always to filter good share, right? But for those investors who don't have a good software, who haven't got any knowledge from the market, is kind of dangerous because you can only make money by lucky. Okay, lucky cannot last for longer term, right? Just happened. So I suggest you can just join as a member sooner before the homely software price up. Okay, and we have a few times. Okay. Anita 0208. Anita Green Tech. What's your entry price? Anita. Okay, now go a little bit arrangements. Go a little bit arrangements. Long term, okay, very good one. Green Tech. And but it's a little bit arrangement. So you can see the trend expert also remind you have a sell point for short term. But if you meet the long term, no problem because it's a normal correction. And even today, slightly up. Okay, slightly up. You will do check the daily chart. Actually, right, it's still green color, but later it might be turn. Okay, it's okay. But if you do short term, 12 o'clock have a buy point, right? 12 o'clock, you can also entry. And the bankers slightly decrease, but for long term, okay. Short term, you wait. You can buy, have a buy point today, okay, in the mini chart. Okay, so this is the diagnosis for those for these shares. Okay, so one more thing. Okay, I want to remind you. Okay, this is the sector of today's chart. Okay, you see the healthcare rebounds. Okay, cannot say rebound for come back again, right? After yesterday's short news affected. Other sector also good, not bad, right? So be positive. But you also need the software to be safeguarded first and then make more stable profits. This is a seminar. I can tell you in details how to use the software to make yourself safeguarded and then make money continuously and stable, okay, in the future. Just send me your name to register if you are not a member, 011-1652-7962, okay? I will book for you. And if you also want to directly use your share, you can also WhatsApp your share code number and your entry price to 011-1652-7962, okay? So that's almost all for today's diagnosis. If you can also benefit a little bit for today's video, don't forget to give me a like in this YouTube and also share this out to your friend. And every time when I send you the terms, okay, actually you can share it out to your friends because the link still can be replayed. Okay, thank you very much and see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.
旅行，好的坏的都是风景，别怪我叹息，只是不忍心，因为你是为你要和我一起看云淡风轻。时间是让人猝不及防的东西，晴时有风，阴时有雨，争不过朝夕，又念着忘记，偷走了心碎，却留住一个你。岁月是一场有去无回的旅行，好的坏的都是风景，别怪我叹息，只是不忍心，因为你是为你要和我一起。云淡风轻。